Are you curious about the booming drone industry and the exciting career opportunities it offers? You are in the right place. Today, we are going to explore how you can launch a successful career in the drone industry and make the most of this cutting-edge technology. Let's talk about the incredible growth of the drone industry. Drones are no longer just a hobby for tech enthusiasts. They have become essential tools in various sectors. This rapid expansion has created a high demand for skilled drone pilots and experts. So, what are some of the career opportunities available in the drone industry? Commercial drone pilot. From agriculture to real estate, are hiring drone pilots to perform aerial surveys, inspections, and photography. With the right training, you can turn your passion for flying drones into a lucrative career. Aerial photographer, videographer. Drones have transformed the world of visual content creation. Professional photographers and filmmakers are using drones to capture stunning aerial shots that were once impossible. Surveying and mapping specialist. Drones equipped with advanced sensors and cameras are used to create detailed maps and 3D models of landscapes, construction sites, and more. This field requires technical skills and knowledge, making it a rewarding career for those interested in geospatial technology. Agricultural drone operator. Drones are revolutionizing farming by providing precise data on crop health, soil conditions, and pest infestations. As an agricultural drone operator, you'll help farmers optimize their yields and reduce resource wastage, contributing to sustainable farming practices. Drone maintenance technician. With the increasing use of drones, there's a growing need for experts who can maintain and repair these devices. This role involves diagnosing issues, performing repairs, and ensuring drones are in top working condition. Drone software developer. Drones rely on sophisticated software for navigation, data collection, and analysis. If you have a background in software development, you can create and improve applications that enhance drone capabilities and user experiences. Regulatory consultant. The drone industry is heavily regulated to ensure safety and privacy. Regulatory consultants help businesses comply with local and international regulations, making sure their drone operations are legal and safe. Search and rescue operator. Drones are invaluable tools in emergency situations, helping locate missing persons, assess disaster areas, and deliver supplies. As a search and rescue operator, you'll play a crucial role in saving lives and providing aid during crisis. The drone industry is full of exciting opportunities, and with the right training and skills, you can build a rewarding career in this dynamic field. EduRade offers a wide range of drone-based courses designed to equip you with the knowledge and expertise needed to succeed in the Indian drone industry. Enroll today to kickstart your career and become a part of this technological revolution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. If you have any questions or want to learn more, visit our website. Thanks for watching.